Hey guys, Cutterup Rob here. I wanted to show something. I've seen this a lot for some reason. I don't know why guys do it. Laziness, I guess, I think is maybe the main reason. But working on this 6.4 head, which I've done a couple little videos on. So if you look at this retainer, other than there's a little staining on it, you don't see any funny marks or any of that type of stuff in there. Now if you look at this one, see how it has a big divot in it right there? And then also this one again, this come off the same, one come off one cylinder head, one come off the other cylinder head. Now that bad spot right there is right at that edge. So I would say that'd be a good chance that'd probably break off. So if you're putting the cylinder heads together and you see that, you probably shouldn't use them. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit me down in the comments. Thanks guys.